I have a John Deere La145 mower, and I replaced carburetor and now I can't seem to get throttle linkage hooked up correctly. There is a rod that goes up to the choke lever on the carburetor and comes down to an arm into a little plastic grommet. I'm assuming it is an automatic choke. All I really need is some pictures if someone can help me. I will be going to work soon and it won't be until this weekend before I get another chance to work on it. My wife has already threatened to run me off if I don't get the yard mowed.
Hello, my name is. I'll help you be able to stay in the house.
Thank you.
If you will send me the picture of your carb with your linkage, I can direct you in the proper hookup. By the way, there's not an automatic choke to my knowledge on that model. Do you have the model numbers for the engine? Is it a Briggs & Stratton or Kohler?
It is a Briggs. I'm trying to send some pictures. Not letting me send pictures. I know it only has a throttle lever, no choke by itself. Motor number 407777. 0232B1.
Okay, I'll check it out on my end. The carburetor should have a triangle-like front lever that connects to a lever, and it is separate of the carb and block. The lever will slide into the bracket mounted on the side of the engine. Is that correct? Never mind, I now know that is not correct, it's in the back.
I'm trying again to send pictures, this time with my iPad. One picture of the two pieces I can't figure out.
Pictures are coming through. While I'm waiting, tell me which of the levers you're having a problem, the right or left, as you are looking at the carb. Image number 1 is the throttle.
Lever on the left of the rod and little plastic piece that is in one of the picture goes up to carb.
It will be located on the right side of the carb. Second image is loaded, let me look. You realize that you will have to take the carb back off to get this in place, right?
I wish it had a separate lever for only the choke.
LOL, right.
Sounds alright to me.
LOL, right. Okay, now listen to what I'm going to say. The lever is going to be attached to the carb and then return the carb back in its place. There is no need to try and put the lever in both places at the same time like you did the other. Then you take the plastic piece and insert it into the hole and push the L-shaped end of the rod into the plastic piece.
Okay, taking of gas line now.
The rod should snap into place in the plastic piece. Does that make sense?
Does the plastic piece go on front or back of arm? Does this look correct?
No, turn it around so that the L goes into the plastic piece that is in the control lever hole. Hey, move the rag so I can see the lever hole like in the last picture before this one.
The spring that hooks to the governor arm does not look right.
I'm so sorry, you did have it correct. I was turned around because of the angle of the pick.
Can you see the spring I'm talking about?
That picture that you asked if it looked right is the correct way. The picture was taken from the backside of the carb as it was to be mounted. Sorry for the confusion. Yes, I do see the spring.
It is not looking correct and I didn't fool with it. I'm no mechanic, but I have a little common sense. Need another picture of it.
Good, leave it alone. I know what you mean. We see this all the time and it doesn't make sense unless you watch the lever and spring action while somebody else is moving the throttle. Trust me, it's all good.
Okay.
Let me know how it works out for you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.